Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to disable Save and Play feature on Terabox app. Let's begin. First, make sure your Terabox app is updated to the latest version to avoid any issues. Once that's done, open the app and ensure everything is set up properly. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. This opens the main menu. You will not see any direct option labeled Save and Play. Instead, it is referred to as Automatic Backup. Tap on the Automatic Backup section. Here, you will find settings for automatic photo backup and video backup. These are the features that activate the Save and Play functionality. To disable this feature, simply turn off both automatic photo backup and video backup. This will effectively stop the Save and Play feature from running on your app. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.